Rats are known for their rapid reproductive rate. A single female mouse can give birth to a litter of 4 to 8 pups every 3 weeks, while female rats can have up to 7 to 12 pups per litter. Both mice and rats are nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night and rest during the day. Mice and rats have excellent navigational skills. They can memorize paths and quickly find their way around their environment. These rodents are highly adaptable and can thrive in various environments, from urban areas to rural farmlands. Rats are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant matter and small animals. They will consume grains, fruits, vegetables.